Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals, back with another Windows 10 tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to create Windows 10 bootable pen drive with Rufus. Folks, I made a video on how to download original Windows 10 for free, and this is the second part of the same video where you make bootable pen drive using the same ISO file. So if you have not watched the video, watch that video to download Windows 10 for free. Next, I will be making a video on how to install Windows 10 for free. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Also, if you want to watch videos like this in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Now finally, let's begin to know how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB for free. We have already downloaded Windows 10 ISO file, and if you have not, watch this video from my channel and download Windows 10 for free, and after that follow the steps from this video. After downloading Windows 10 ISO file, we will be required to download Rufus, which is a third-party software to make bootable USB. The links for the same is also shared in description and pinned comment as well. Follow the links and download Rufus software. After downloading Rufus, let's open it. Now we need to connect a pen drive to our computer, which should be of minimum 8 GB. After connecting USB drive, it will start showing up in drive. You can see here it shows 16 GB HP pen drive. Next, from boot selection menu, we have to select disk or ISO image. Now we have to select our downloaded Windows 10 ISO file, and for that click on select. This opens up Windows file picker. Browse through to select original Windows 10 ISO file. I have the file on desktop, so selecting it now. Next, from image section, select standard Windows installation. Now no other changes are to be done. Well, we can change volume label, and that will change flash drive name as well. By doing this, we will know which version and edition of Windows we have in pen drive. Let's change it to version 2022. After this, without making any changes, click on start. Next, a warning comes up that any data in our pen drive will be deleted. Click on OK, and now the bootable flash drive will start burning. As soon as all the files are copied to it, the flash drive is created. Now it will show as ready and will turn full green. We can also check that version 2022 named flash drive is ready. After that, we can use the bootable pen drive to install Windows 10 in any computer or laptop. Next, I will be making Windows 10 installation process video where I will show you all how to use this pen drive to install Windows 10 on any computer or laptop. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any feedback, do share those in comments. Do like this video and also share it with others as well. Also, if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. और आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप ऑफिशियल विंडोज 10 ISO फाइल फ्री डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. Have you deleted your photos and want to recover them? If yes, this video is for you.